Here's GLAM UP app, perfect you look, get a glow up. As you can see, this app is quite high in the charts recently, and this is a really cool app. This is your AI beauty consultant to the ultimate glow up. This is kind of like alternative for girls. There's this Looks Maxing app for guys like UMax, Looks Max AI, where you just scan your face and you get like recommendations for guys. Now this is the alternative app for mostly girls. You can just download the app, upload, take a selfie, and then glow up. GLAM UP is your personal AI beauty consultant that will make you glow up. Try out the glow up guide to see your glow up potential and guide to achieve it. Color analysis scan will help you find out color season and your perfect colors. Facial analysis will help you find your face shape, eye shape, skin tone, and all your facial features. And all of the things here. So yeah, quite a good app. It has 14,000 ratings. And then yeah, you can just open it up, and then you can choose to choose a scan to start. So you can see your color season, you can see your glowed up and get a guide. You can do your facial analysis. So then you can just do a facial scan, and then you can just go and upload your photos. Upload a clear photo of yourself. So for example, let's say, let's just check out if it works also for the guys. So for example, here I have some photo, whatever. And then it's just basically analyzing it. And then you can see view characteristics. So view results, you can try to do that. And then unfortunately you need to, basically there is a hot deal, $13 per week, $11 per week or $9 per week. And then you need to upgrade. Then eventually you have a 50% discount, which is pretty cool feature. So if you see, I didn't upgrade for the first time, and then there is like a one scan weekly, that's like $4.50, and then yeah, you just have it. Alternatively, you can also invite 3 friends. So here's your invite code, which you can share. So here's the code, invite 3 friends to unlock your results. So here's my code, 7L2NKN. So just if you do that and just share this code with your friends, then it is quite handy, and then you will get a free guide there. So yeah, that's basically the idea how you can get a free guide, free scan, and then you will just get that. So that's like facial analysis. Then there is like a glow up guide, see yourself glowed up and get a guide. And then you can also have like a color analysis. Again, you can get like here you can share your invite code, and then also you can contact support@glamup.ai. So yeah, this is the app. Again, it's mostly for girls, but yeah, there you have it. So go try it out.